So I'm down here this morning with the Marine Police. This is a very critical component to the security of our country and protecting our borders. Sadly, because of COVID and the number of hours that these boats have been out, many of the engines were worn out. So I'm very happy that we were able to purchase 12 new engines for 5 of the boats. So today I got to go out on one of the boats with the new engines, and I have to tell you, it's a pleasure, and I'm so happy for the Marine Police in particular, who are already hampered by so many other issues. To be able to solve this particular issue is of really great importance.